Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to sign up to Linktree. Now let us begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type linktr.ee and simply hit on enter. Well guys, this is the page that we are looking for. Now what we need to do is simply sign up. At the top right, you can see a few options, namely login and sign up for free. In case you have an account, simply hit on login, else click on sign up. I'm gonna do the latter one right now. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to this page. Do note that you can sign up simply by entering the email address, password, or by using your Google or Apple account. It's up to you. For now, I'm just gonna enter my email address and password and create an account. As you can see, I have entered the credentials. Now I'm just gonna hit on create account. Now guys, this is it. From here, what you can do is simply choose your username. I'm gonna change it right now. Well, this one is okay with me, so I'm just gonna hit on continue. Now as you can see, it's asking me to verify my email address. I'm gonna go to Gmail right now. Do note that you can also skip this process. Well, as you can see, I have received an email like this. Now I'm just gonna click on this verify button right here. Now guys, this is it. As you can see, my account has been created. From here, all you need to do is select the plan. For now, the free plan is okay with me, so I'm gonna select it and simply hit on join for free. Well guys, this is it. As you can see, I have successfully signed up to Linktree. This is it guys. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.